The NS99 is for those who need an incredible lighting scene outdoor or indoor. This luminaire here is typically used for outdoor. It's high IP, and what is really worth mentioning it is that we are here talking about a solution that lighting designers love. The reason for that is because you are able to change the beam angle really simple through the reel here, and you can hear it's clicking, and the lowest beam angle that we can get from this luminaire here is 15 degrees, and you can go as high as 60 degrees. And why is that important for an outdoor lighting scene is because you have different trees, you have different options for, let's say, objects that has to be lighted up, but you can control that fully through these luminaires here. The NS99 is different sizes, so you can basically have it in 4 different sizes, which also leads me to say that it comes in different lumen outputs, and you can find the lumen outputs on the data sheets. The finish, as a standard right now, here you can see it's black. There's other options. We prefer to use the C2 treatments, which also means that the color lasts for many years. And those colors is either jet black, it can be anthracite, it can also be silver, and we can also do it in a few other colors, but contact us for that solution. Now, if we look into the installation way, we have the bracket here where you install that on the surface. We have each screw here, which is contacted directly to the surface, and then we have the cable coming out from the area on the back side. Now, this driver is external, which means that you need to have an input of 24 volt. We will help you find the right driver, but you can basically choose whatever you like. It can be Dali, it can be Kasambi, and it can be a lot of different other options. So overall, we are here talking about a really interesting luminaire for especially landscape designers and lighting designers that want something special. So take a look on the data sheet and contact us for more.